Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to taught next PYQ of group theory which is asked in GATE 2022. So our question is the number of subgroup of a cyclic group of order 12 is, and these all are the option. So to find the subgroup of a cyclic group, we use the tau function, that is number of cyclic subgroup is equals to tau n, and here we have to find the cyclic subgroup of order 12, that is tau 12, which is equals to tau of 2 square into 3. So this is equals to 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. What we do, we see the power and add 1. We see the power and add 1, and we get 3 into 2. That is, there is total 6 subgroup in a cyclic group which have order 12. We use what? Tau function here. So this is all the solution. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.